Tools required: 1 broad bladed screwdriver or flat metal, washing up liquid mixed 50-50 with water. Separate the gel section from the rest of the unit. Remove decal panels. Remove clips from the side of the surface. With the broad braided screwdriver, release the clips. Repeat at the other end. Remove the strike surface. Remove all rubber bumpers around and put to one side. Remove the gel bag by releasing the rubber O-rings and put to one side. Remove foam surround and underlay and discard. Unpack retrofit kit. Insert foam surround. Insert both long rubber bumpers, one either side. Reinsert existing gel bag. Hook O-rings over bosses as shown and repeat both ends. Insert small rubber bumper either end. With the washing up liquid and water, put a little along the top edges of the rubber bumpers, moistening slightly. To assist the strike surface being fitted. To fit the strike surface, the new strike surface, first, insert clips at one end and ensure they are pushed down home. Using the broad bladed screwdriver, insert clips at the other end. Using downward pressure, ensure that all clips are fully engaged. The side clips removed earlier, replace those. On either side. Yeah. Reinsert the decal panels. Reassemble the TrueStrike mat. The retrofit is complete.